So first of all, the way I like to explain breathing technique for singing is baby belly breathing. Yeah, sounds a bit weird, doesn't it? But when we are born, if you look at a baby in a cot, you will see that its belly moves up and down, deep and slow. And that's how we're supposed to breathe. But as we age, we get a bit lazy. You know, stuck behind a car wheel, are we sat at a desk all day? And we're not necessarily as fit and active as we should be. And unfortunately, our breath control suffers and we can be lazy and our breathing can change. So what tends to happen is that from the lower part of the lungs, instead of it being a full breath from the diaphragm up, it tends to be a shallow breath from more high up in the chest, and it lifts up the shoulders. As we breathe in, the air goes down and then it moves around the body from the lower part of the lungs to circulate. Now when we sing, what we need to do is fill up the lungs and then use as much breath as we need for that particular phrase. But without having any control, how do we do that?